Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. Okay, let's start. Open the Instagram on your device. Now refresh it. Click on profile icon. Click on three-line menu. Click on account center. Now scroll down. Click on accounts. Select your Facebook account linked to Instagram. Click on remove. Under click on remove account. Click on continue. And now finally click on yes finishing remove. By doing this process you can remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.